All right, far from an active weather day today, but we did have a few showers and a couple of localized downpours out there this afternoon. And take a look at this picture from Cheryl at Wellington Beach, looking north and west from Crisfield. We had a picture of the shower that was approaching the area at around 3:30 p.m. You could kind of see the rain shaft right there. So a localized shower that was passing through, and we had a few of those this afternoon, but right now we're not dealing with any rain, and the winds are nice and calm out there on the shore Odyssey Skycam. Looking live at Georgetown, some of the rain is basically confined towards our west, but it's nothing overly impressive. Maybe a little bit of a more moderate band right along the approaching cold front, but it remains to be seen if this actually makes it all the way to the peninsula. It may fizzle out as it does so, but for sure we could see the chance for maybe a passing shower or a couple of sprinkles tonight, but not expecting really anything in the way of heavy rainfall. And it's all a part of this cold front. Behind the front, we're going to get some cooler and less humid air to come in for at least a chunk of this upcoming work week. Temperatures right now are warm out there, lower 80s and a few upper 70s out there. It's still humid with dew points in the lower to mid 70s, but watch what happens to the dew points by tomorrow afternoon. We're talking about dew points in the lower to mid 60s, which is a lot better than what we've seen for pretty much the past couple of weeks, where dew points for the most part have been around to above 70 degrees. And then by Tuesday afternoon, same deal. Dew point values lower than what we have been seeing for the past couple of weeks. So that's going to make it feel nice and comfortable out there with these low humidity values. And it's also going to translate to some cooler nights, temperatures getting into the 60s. Last time we saw temperatures that cool was the 4th of July weekend. So that's certainly going to be a treat if that's something you enjoy. So as the cold front crosses through tonight, we'll see a band of clouds and maybe a few sprinkles and light showers out there, even into tomorrow morning, specifically for the midshore point south. You'll likely be dealing with some clouds and maybe a few light showers out there. But the trend going into the afternoon will be for increasing sunshine, lowering humidity with temperatures in the mid 80s. It's going to feel really nice out there. And then by Tuesday, we're talking about temperatures that are a little bit on the cooler side for this time of the year. Lower 80s with, again, the lower humidity values continuing for then. And even it's Wednesday, it's going to be a fairly comfortable day humidity-wise. And if that's something you enjoy, I recommend soaking it all in because the humidity is going to rise drastically going into Friday and Saturday. And that's also going to come with some hot temperatures getting into the 90s once again. So the patterns overall a bit on the cooler side for this time of the year, relatively speaking. And then again, going to the end of the week, more hot and humid air mass will be taking over as the jet stream lifts well to our north. So it will be fairly warm out there and a bit muggy tonight with temperatures at around 71 to 76 degrees with a stray shower or sprinkle here or there during the overnight. Tomorrow, 82 to 87 degrees, a stray shower or sprinkle specifically during the morning. I should probably emphasize that. And then we'll get some increasing sunshine by the afternoon. It will turn out to be a really nice feeling day out there. Tuesday's looking really nice, only a temperature of 83 degrees. That's really good for this time of the year with low humidity, and same thing for Wednesday, an abundance of sunshine, 85 degrees. Thursday, the humidity starts to come up a bit, and so do the temperatures, 88 degrees, seasonably hot. Up to 93, though, by Friday with that increasing humidity, and very hot and humid for Saturday. We could be rising into the mid-90s, and around that time, we introduce the chance for maybe some scattered storms in the evening, and then scattered thunderstorms possible once again by Sunday. Renell.